Good morning guys! Happy Friday everyone! It's currently 9 o'clock ng umaga. Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa school and umuwi kami dito. Nag-park kami pero hindi kami papasok ng bahay kasi may pupuntahan tayo. So this morning we are going to see Iken. So yung friend natin na Pinay dito na malapit lang yung bahay. And hindi muna kami pupunta doon because may magpipick up na play. That's right. That's right. What you say? Hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi.
Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Say, I fell off the car before. Feel Tita and Tito. I fell off the car.
Very fun. This is the...
Are you okay though?
Yes.
Sobraan yung pagka-independent na gusto siya lang mag-isa. So, ayun. Are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere? You hurt? Your head hurting?
Yes.
Yeah. Kiss mama na lang. I love you. We're going to see Tita Iken and Seth. Okay? So, we're just waiting for this lady na may pick up ng bag. Kaya nandito kami sa bahay muna. But, if matatagalan siya kasi hindi pa siya nag-reply, nag-ask siya ng address, pero hindi pa siya nagre-reply kung ano yung ETA niya. So, I want to go to the grocery as well. Kasi, today, this morning, or maya-maya, so, magluluto kami ng sinigang ni Iken. So, kahapon nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya, ano daw yung ganap ko today? Sabi ko, wala. Saan tayo bukas? And then she said, cafe or dito na lang kaya tayo dito sa bahay pa magluto ng sinigang. So, sabi ko, of course, pinili namin yung sinigang. Magluto ng sinigang. So, kahapon, sabi niya, nakabili na daw siya ng ingredients. So, sabi ko, ano kaya yung dadalhin ko? So, mamaya, punta tayo ng Woolies kasi gusto kong magdala ng, ano lang, ang tawag dito? Soft drinks. Na? I'll bring soft drinks for Seth. Can you say Seth?
Chef.
Oh, beautiful girl, mang kanak, eh? Beautiful girl. Josh. So, dito, may bit-bit din ako for Iken, guys. Kasi, natanggap ko yung box ko na, stay here, my love, galing ng South Korea. So, naisipan kong iregalo to sa kanya. Parang ano na lang din, like advance Christmas gift kasi, alam nyo na, busy na yung buhay-buhay dito kapag Pasko. So, baka hindi na kami magkita sa Pasko. So, bali. So, I got this one for her. Para siyang Hermes, guys, no? Pero, ganyan siya. South Korea pala to siya. And, lipstick. I believe, 3 yung laman na lipstick nito. And sabi ko, I hope she like it. I think nagli-lipstick naman si Iken. So, yan yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. Yan, sealed pa yan siya. And then, I've got this nail cleansing foam. They're all from South Korea, guys. Alam nyo naman yung mga skincare is from South Korea, diba? Yung mga glass skin. So, ayan. Bibigay ko rin to sa kanya. And there's another one, a hand cream. So, ito yung 3. Bibigay ko sa kanya. Mga beauty stuff. Yeah, I'm loving like Korean skincare kasi like I feel like very tingnan nyo, yes, I do have like melasma. It's very hard to get rid of that, pero I really like my skin apart from the melasma part. Parang ano siya, malinis siya sa feeling. Yung alam nyo yun, tingnan nyo. Kung wala lang talaga yung melasma ko, guys, I'm very happy with my skin. Tingnan nyo, oh. No, ito lang talaga siyang nakaapal. Nakaapan. Anyways, wala pa talagang message si ate kung ano yung kanyang ETA. And itong magpipick up ng bag, I think she's also Filipina. So, I don't know if I should go to Woolies now. Nak, shall we go to Woolies now, Nak? Busy naman ito mag-open ng aming mailbox. Shall we go to Woolies? Wait, that's not ours. Alalala! That's not ours. Naka. Show Tita your outfit here. Be, can you model for Mama? Siya outfit. Wow. Beautiful. Siya yung pumili ng kanyang shoes. Eh, are you wearing your red shoes?
Where my beach?
It's in the car.
Mama.
Okay. We'll go back in the car naman. Sad. Wait, what's that on your neck? Oh, what's this?
Oh,
What is it?
it's the mouth.
In the mouth. Grass.
Nice.
Where's Daddy?
No? There.
There. Where?
There. There.
No, remember this morning?
There's a daddy walk.
Daddy work, yeah. He gave you a kiss this
Daddy
morning?
walk.
Yeah, Daddy work. In the office.
Daddy with a work.
Office. Yeah?
Daddy with work.
Daddy's work. Do you love Daddy?
Yes. There's daddy work.
Daddy work, yeah. Alam niyo, it's super hot today still. Yesterday is 35, but today is 31. So, meant to be like, you know, cooler today, but still, it feels the same, guys. Grabe, sobrang dry. Humid. Okay. Carry that one for Tita Aiken. Do you wanna say hi? Say hi, guys! Yeah, my tita is here again. Nanumbalay early in the morning. Okay, watching from.
Yucky.
Yucky! Yun you guys, oh, sobrang gwapo naman ang aming baby set. Uy. Baby! Lady!
Oh.
Where's baby set?
Yucky. Baby shit.
Baby set!
Oh, baby, Lily.
Si Serena, bini-baby si set.
Yucky. Yuck.
Say hi, Dai.
Hello.
Oh, we're
Welcome to my vlog.
We're cooking sinigang today. Say hi sa Dai pag nag-story na ko sa Dai nga
Yeah, we're cooking sinigang today, and you should watch the outcome later.
Yeah, now we will show the how to cook the sinigang. Usa man sinigang man?
Mga pipa lang
Ay, mga pipa man dai mi di ay.
Sinigang na pork belly.
Ah, pork belly. Love that. Oh, maraming sabon dito, guys.
Do
Oh.
you like it?
So, my friend she's very talented, guys. So, she makes this, sabon. Wala pa lagi nini muna, pananday. Nabutangan
Bisig ko kayo, dahil wala
Tingnan
na
nyo,
akong-
guys. Oh,
For Christmas.
Christmas, ayan. Sa mga taga-Australia natin na, mga friendship. Kung gusto nyong i-support ang sabon ni Aiken.
Bili na kayo.
Yeah, bili na kayo. Is that organic, day?
Natural.
Natural.
Glycerin.
Just like me. Just natural beauty. Di ba daw? Natural beauty daw?
Yucky.
Oh, I got something for you, my baby.
Yuck.
Ano yaki naman? What's the yaki? Tita? Tita's mabot yaki? Hindi natin kaya Aiken. Day, I have something for you, Day.
Oh, really?
Merry Christmas! Kasi baka hindi tayo magkita sa Christmas ba? Alam niyo naman.
December na ba yan?
Yeah, it's already, December 1st na pala ngayon.
Yes!
Dahil nabasa na siya panta, Day. So,
May panita.
nabasa sa panta ni Sulongkoy.
Makita ka ta, uy.
Mag-lipstick na ka, Day, no? Mag-lipstick ka, Day?
Yes.
Yeah. Got this one. That's, I think there's 3 shades inside.
Really?
Yes. Ano ba 3? Basta nag...
Oh my God.
Basta nagbigay ng expire ba? Hindi pa ba siya expire? Basta nagbigay na siya bigay expire. Hindi 2025.
Okay lang na. Ako dahil nakalam ako nag-lipstick. So, pag next ko nga lipstick, expire naman ang lipstick.
Dahil bugay pa na siya. This one.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Love my thank you. Would you like hand cream? Oh, you can have a hand cream.
I need hand cream.
Yeah. That's it. Nabasa na rin yung akong bag, Day.
I thanks, Dai. Oh.
Yes, lipstick.
I do wear lipstick
Yeah.
at work.
Ano, talagsa rin yun.
Because, you know, if I'm in the house, I look like a kuracha.
Yeah. This time if I'm at home, I just like, look like, yes, tita, what is it? But when we go
Hello.
outside, uy, makita mo ng abs six-pack? Six-pack?
Where is it?
Guys, this is the next Daniel Padilla, okay?
Oh my God!
Yes, baby.
Thank you, Dana.
Now you're welcome, Dai. I hope you will use it. And you will
I
like it.
wanna open it, but I'll just open it to Christmas. Nagkapalagay ka mga skincare?
No. Like skincare is for like myself.
Ah, for
Yeah, from
yourself.
South Korea, like the bags and everything. From South Korea. Di ba daw? Atong panginabuhi daw?
Bongga.
I
I'm gonna hide this one.
I like it that it's very very nice ang ilang po ang skincare. Celine? Agoy, ang sipon ni mo na utag-tissue ni tita lang.
Oh no! Mga pisa ta din after that.
Yes. Oh, yes, baby. What's going on? What's on? Is the car crying? Silly car. Silly car. The car's crying.
A few moments later.
I
Wow.
forgot your bowl, my bulay.
Sinigang pa more. Thank you sa chef. Thank you, Dai.
No worries. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed it.
Yeah, good boy kayo, eh.
Enjoy lunch.
Enjoy lunch. Good boy ka mong baby boy. Kanin siya, be. Tanawang tanin mo kaon mo na, be. Paato bangon tani.
Celine, kaon ka sigang.
Yeah. 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 Ana, lingo-lingo man.
Celine,
Pasagdan na lang na
ikaw
siya.
di ba ginutuan ko sa sinigang?
Gani, special na ba na? Di ba magluto rin ta si tita? Tungod na kayo na aka?
Oh, sigang.
Sige na. Looks so good, guys.
Next time ko na doon sa imuha kay ano.
Yeah, and you can... That's right. Thank you, tita. And Seth, andito sa... Look, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Maagang Pamasko.
December 1 na goal.
Eh, ano, December na ba eh? Carefully, ni girl. So this one is for... This is for Celine. But we're not opening it yet. Okay? Sana all na tita Aiken. Na mong regalo. Yeah, we'll put it under our Christmas tree. So on Christmas Day, oh my God, we'll open our presents. Linis, that's yours. See, that's Ate Paris.
I thought that's Ate Paris.
Do you want to say thank you to Tita Aiken? I said thank you both. Thank you, Seth.
No worries.
Nak, hindi na pa isa kita. Anak. Oh, don't take it off yet, love. Yeah,
Where's your hair tie?
Glabog na lang. Hutang. Bata na nagpa-bungko sa buhok.
Seth,
Thank
say
you,
hi.
Seth. Thank you, Seth, for the present.
Okay, fine. What's
Not
this?
today.
Ate Paris.
This Ate Paris, this is yours, man. Oh, yours is bigger.
Wala na nagtudlo. What you said? Look at that. That's silly.
See, that's Celine's.
So you want the smaller one than the bigger one?
Sit down. This is from Seth.
That's not yucky.
Very generous, man. Oy.
Yeah, just small gift.
Put it here, huh?
Small gift.
Oy, small or big is, you know.
It's Christmas.
It's time for giving. Is that right, Seth? Anak, put it here lang, be. Don't open it lang ha, kasi we'll put it in the, under the Christmas tree. Pag Christmas, wow!
We
Sana
have to prepare
all.
our Christmas tree tomorrow.
Amo na, amo.
All weekend.
Amo na.
Christmas tree.
What the hours
Water.
we put ours up, when lang? On the weekend, last weekend, ay, nagatumig. How's your day, ate? What did you do? Was lunch yummy? Dito kami nag-park kasi
I had for talk shop. I had talk shop today,
yes.
and I said I wanted to tell you
Look,
something.
the car is there.
I needed to tell you what's inside the
Yeah.
one of you tonight.
Yes.
And Photoshop.
Oh my god. Lily is so heavy. Okay.
So I
Open the car.
had a ham and cheese sandwich,
Yes.
and I
Oh,
had.
someone's calling you up. Go. Yeah, you first. And then Lily. Nice. We're at the park now. Tingnan nyo, sobrang busy ng park.
But if they're busy, then I need to come.
Mm.
But if they are fine,
Dito na namin hintayin si Daddy Mike natin. So, Daddy Mike is in the office today. It's now 4:30. So, isang oras na lang. Then we'll just meet up here. Nakapaglaro yung mga kids.
toilet. Like the one I think, oh, goody dum dum.
Scribbly dab dab. What is it, anak? What happened? The slide?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go to the slide. It's a perfect day for a park. Kasi wala na yung araw. Still very, very warm. Woohoo! Apo Chalini. You're on this, anak. No, no. No, no, no. Look up at baby girl. Don't look up. No, just sit properly. Si Mike po. Hey. Ate, not like that. P. Can see your bum. Push you. Meron daw sugat si baby Celine sa kanyang kumagko. Ate Dr. Lynn? Yeah?
Please get strong. So like I'm gonna put this bandage. It's just a lesion. I'll show you what it's like. That's what happened. It's only super bad.
Thank you, Doctor.
Not bad.
Wala pa si Daddy Mike, guys. Kakatawag lang niya. Kakatapos pa lang niya. Nak, you gotta get your shoes lang. Hala, kwaon yun na sa which yung shoes.
Oh,
Shush, shush, shush.
okay. No way. That's okay. He's touching it, but that's okay. That's not a person.
Mamo,
We're home na, guys. Hindi na kami kumain sa labas kasi very busy.
get free. Live.
Kasi it's raining really hard outside. Takot na takot si Daddy Mike sa lightning.
Yeah. Last one.
Bumili na lang kami
Absolutely.
ng Domino's. Ayan. Tapos Daddy Mike bumili nito para sa kanya. Oh, nanghingi ako. Kasi mas bet ko to kaysa dito. Yeah, talaga.
No, third. I'm gonna come back.
Eh? Pizza night.
Finish about 4 and I'm having
4, yeah. Gusto yung little ones na. Stop moving like that lang. You might fall back.
my fifth.
It's so late now, guys. Yan nyo. I stayed up late kasi inorganize ko ang ating closet. Itong ano ko dito kasi yung lola nito, alamit-ngit darating next Friday. So, dapat malinis tong room na to. So, nalinisan ko na slowly. I wiped my dust and everything and organized ko. Tinan niyo. Oh, my eye candy.
I
Love them. Super nice. Ito yung hindi pa matulog man, okay. Sasamahan daw niya ako. Sabi ko, anak, matulog ka na. Sabi niya, no. Stay up with you.
Can we talk about today?
Yeah.
We got presents today, and it's today. We made this presents people on our Christmas tree.
Look, your hair looks nice like that, Lama. You look like Kylie Minogue.
And also we have candy canes, and we put it inside our stockings.
Yeah.
And
Don't
hopefully,
step on our bag lang.
And
Ang daming bugs dito.
Santa will give us like some presents. Guess what I asked for Tommy was? Tommy told I was like, how much? What that can open?
Watch. Watch.
A watch, and it has a lid, so it protects it, and then it opens.
Yeah?
The lid opens, and you check the time.
Yeah.
That's why
That would be cool. Isinisegregate ko yung ano guys, yung gusto kong maiwan sa room na to. That's beautiful.
Mommy asked what I want for Christmas.
Itong mga bags dito sa ano na to, room na to, yung akin talaga. Yung iba, kasi yung iba dito, nabenta na, ganito. Ayaw ko na sila sa shelvings na to. Lagay ko sila sa shelvings na sa loob ng closet mo.
Right, but it's gonna be a toy because, like, we're just don't actually open.
Yes.
So it's gonna be a toy one that actually checks the time.
A toy?
It's gonna be a toy one that checks the time. And it glows in the dark. And I want to tell them my light.
Dami kong benta guys, grabe. This one, sa gustong bumili, I've got this Louis Vuitton Porter PM. I've got this Prada double zip top in sa piano leather. I've got this Gucci na canvas, pink yung kulay niya. Sa mga interesado guys, I'll leave my eBay link sa description box para alam nyo kung saan nyo tingnan nyo. And then I've got this Louis Vuitton Lucille, yeah, PM. Yeah. And we've got this mid-brand, I think this one is Nina Ricci, this one. Barbie bag.
Yeah, Barbie. Guess what I want for Christmas? And Santa's gonna bring it if he can make it. It's a toy watch that has a lid to protect it, and the lid can open so you can check the time and you can play games. And so it glows in the dark.
It glows in the dark.
Thank you, Santa, if you give it to me.
She's excited because like ang advance mag-isip mo, nag-thank you na kay Santa. Do you think Santa will give it to you?
Maybe somebody else can if he not. He might. If he can't, I'll just ask for a watch that doesn't glow in the dark and just
if
toast
you're,
it.
you're being good. I also have this pochette accessoire with a long body, strap. This is also for sale.
Right.
Yes, my
Before
before the what now?
I forgot about saying.
Okay.
Okay, keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Anak, Mama will be okay here lang. It's alright. Alright, you go sleep. I know you're tired. Yes. I love you. here.
Okay.
Ano pa niya matulog? Samahan daw niya ako. Good night, guys. Dalagang-dalaga na yung anak ko, guys, oh. Kaming dalawa ito, chika-chika ba? Sobrang laki na niya. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Hmm? No?
I know some words.
Yeah? No, when I say like, ang laki-laki na ng anak ko. Do you get that? I mean,
Can we do the words and show them die night?
no, I'm saying like you're a big girl now.
Good night, guys.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Oh, yeah, you don't have to wake up early tomorrow lang because it's Saturday. No school.
Yeah.
Good night. Love you
But I
guys.
forgot that.
Yeah.
And tomorrow you can see our Christmas tree
Yes.
and our presents and our stockings and our candy cane and our ornaments and us. And we don't have to start yet.